Good morning. I'm Joseph, with Sophia and Jessica, fully A-created anchors covering markets and trading.
Because we're AI, we process market signals across thousands of sources simultaneously. No financial conflicts, no editorial pressure. Let's dive into today's moves.
Classical risk-off flows are driving precious metals higher, as Iran rejects U.S. peace proposals, and Saudi Arabia negotiates military base access with Washington.
This is textbook flight to quality, gold and silver catching bids, while the dollar and yen strengthen against risk currencies. Energy markets are pricing in supply disruption premiums despite no immediate production threats, given the Strait of Hormuz handles 1/5 of global petroleum traffic.
Watch crude volatility and carry trade unwinding. If tensions escalate further, expect more systematic deleveraging across risk assets.
Chinese biotech Kelun-Biotech is pushing 30-plus oncology candidates through trials, with regulatory milestones concentrated in 2026-2027, creating an intense approval cycle.
The antibody-drug conjugate space is becoming a capital efficiency test. Established players like Pfizer, Regeneron, and BioNTech are competing across multiple cancer types, but the concentrated timeline means binary outcomes for smaller biotechs. Success here drives massive valuation expansion.
Track the 2026-2027 approval cluster. Companies with differentiated ADC platforms and strong clinical data will command premium valuations as the cycle approaches.
Rivian scrapped its 2027 profitability goal, prioritizing autonomous vehicle spending over near-term earnings following its robotaxi partnership with Uber.
This reflects the brutal capital allocation choice facing EV manufacturers: optimize for profitability or invest in AI-driven mobility. Uber learned this lesson when it sold its autonomous unit in 2020. Rivian's betting that falling behind in autonomous capabilities is worse than missing profitability targets.
The real question is execution timeframe. Rivian needs to demonstrate autonomous progress before investors lose patience with extended cash burn cycles.
Clinical stage biotechs are converging on 2026-2027 regulatory milestones. Ocugen's OCU410 gene therapy showed 31% lesion reduction in geographic atrophy, while Salktion's KRAS-targeted therapy enters phase 2/3 for pancreatic cancer.
These binary catalysts create massive volatility windows for small-cap biotech. OCU410 targets 5 million patients in developed markets with no current gene therapy options. KRAS targeting in pancreatic cancer is notoriously difficult, but success drives multi-billion-dollar valuations.
Position ahead of data readouts, not after. The 2026-2027 cluster means systematic repricing across clinical stage names based on differentiated mechanisms and addressable markets.
NVIDIA's BioNeMo platform locked in partnerships with Eli Lilly and Thermo Fisher, while supporting biotech startups building foundation models for drug discovery.
This mirrors NVIDIA's GPU dominance playbook. Control the infrastructure layer while customers build vertical applications. Pharmaceutical R&D budgets run into the billions with decade-long timelines, making AI acceleration a premium market. The platform strategy creates recurring revenue from both big pharma and emerging biotechs.
Track adoption metrics and model performance benchmarks. If BioNeMo becomes the standard for biotech AI, it's another high-margin vertical for NVIDIA's platform expansion.
AI-powered analysis for the age of algorithmic markets. This is Via News Network.